Sparkle paper towels help you handle your everyday messes at a value that's just right. Each pick-a-size double roll has 110 2-ply sheets and is equal to 2 regular rolls. With pick-a-size sheets, you always have exactly what you need to fit the task at hand. Great for everyday kitchen and household cleanup, with even more uses for food prep, DIY projects, outdoors more. 24 double rolls equals 48 regular rolls. Modern white, 110 2-ply sheets per roll, 11 by 6 in sheets. Reach for Sparkle pick-a-size paper towels when you need either full or half sheets to handle life's everyday twists and turns, from unavoidable messes and spills to last-minute art projects and all the routine cleanups in between. With Sparkle paper towels on hand, you'll always be prepared for whatever comes your way at an affordable price to boot. Sparkle, make the bright choice. Top reviews from the United States. Strongest paper towel. I bought this because of the price, but it turned out to be a great product. I can dry the counter and rinse the paper towel out and use it again and again without it breaking. I even use it on my Swiffer mop by attaching it the same way I do the pads that come with the Swiffer and dry the floor when I have a spill or when I need to clean the walls. It really holds up well.